Have you ever wondered how to record your system's sounds without using any third-party apps? You can do this in 2 minutes without even installing any other app. I'm going to show you how to do so. Let's get started. First, let's test how the voice recorder works. Open the voice recorder app and click on the microphone icon to start recording. It will record your voice. Now, let's play something on the PC to see if it captures the system sound as well. Once the recording is done, let's play it back.
Hey guys, this is Editor from Tech AI, and now let's go and test out the system recording.
As you can see, it only recorded my voice and did not capture the system sounds. So let's configure it to record the system sounds as well. For Windows 11 users, go to Settings, then click on Sound. Scroll down and click on All Sound Devices. Now find the stereo mix option and enable it. For Windows 10 users, go to Settings, then go to System. Here on the left side, click on Sound. Then click on Manage Sound Devices. Now find the stereo mix option and enable it. This will allow your system sounds to be captured. Alright, let's test it again. Open the voice recorder, change the mic to stereo mix, and start recording. Now if you speak, it will not record your voice. Let's play some sound on the system to check if it records that. Once you're done with that, end the recording and play it back. As you can hear, this time it recorded the system sound but not my voice. And that's how you can record your system sound without using any third-party software. It's a quick and easy solution using the basic voice recorder on Windows. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.